See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. This is Aisha's Life. So today I'm going to be installing a wig that I got off of Amazon. I did already film this video, but I really messed up my footage and me trying to customize it on camera. It was just a freaking fail. So today I'm going to be doing this video over. So if you see some footage with me in a different shirt and just look completely different, that's why. So let's get into this video. The wig came, I hadn't took this out the Amazon package yet. The wig came in this cute little baggie right here. Let's get into the details of this wig before we get started. So I'll pop it up right here and I'll link this down in the description box down below to where you can go purchase this wig. Good or bad, I'm gonna let y'all know. But the reviews was decent on this wig. You know, there's always a bad review. So there's that. This is a closure 20-inch wig. So let's see what this wig talking about. I'm loving this bag though. Already positive things about this wig. It comes with a wig cap. It also comes with lashes. I may end up wearing these soon, but they're really natural looking. And it came with an edge brush, which I really did need because I ain't got one. I believe this was a body wave as well. So this is the wig right here. First of all, the hair is really soft. Like, I'm shocked. This wig was $99 and I didn't think it was gonna feel this good. Like this actually felt good as hell. So let me just, by filling the wig, it looks like there are adjustable straps. And then we have 2 combs right here on the side and 1 comb at the bottom. Right now I'm gonna have to just put on one of their wig caps that came with the wig. I do like it. It's cute. I think the amount of lace that it gives is a 4x4. I'm gonna definitely have to get some mousse for this wig. I can see now that it's gonna leave me with a bunch of frizzies if I don't. The hair is really soft. I think it said it was 150 density. However, does it feel like 150 density? Maybe. So far, I only got 1 piece of hair that only came out. But I definitely can see myself pin curling this wig. But customizing it, I think is gonna be quite simple. But I'm not gonna film myself doing that because I really don't know how to customize this wig. So I guess we just gonna have to shoot together. Here is just an up close of the lace on the wig. And the actual like edges of the wig looks nice. Like, I feel like I'm not gonna have to do too much customizing. I'm definitely gonna pluck it a little bit, but I don't really know how to pluck hairlines, so. But it comes with a little bit of baby hairs. Like, there's some baby hairs there. So, I'm about to get into that. Okay, so as I was cutting the lace on this closure, like, I know for a fact that I need to customize it a little bit more. Even once you guys see the end product of today's video, I'm going to do future videos on this same wig just so you guys can see how I am going to be customizing it a little bit more. Girl has figured out the whole edges. I figured it out. So, okay, well, let's talk about the hair. If you're wanting a really thick, very high density hair, this hair is not that high in density. I think it's, like I said, it's only 150 and it's still nice because myself and I don't like a lot of thickness around my shoulders. I don't, but this is 20 inches and y'all know 20 inches is really cute. I came all the way back so y'all can see. So I'm 5'2", and this comes right here at my armpits, a little bit past it. And I feel like 20 inches on me looks really nice. It complements my face. It's not too long, because you know sometimes having real long hair, it make your face look long. So that's not what's going on. Let me unplug my. That's what's not going on here, is that I feel like it really does compliment me. It doesn't look like it's pulling my face downwards. Also, this is a body wave texture, and I feel like It holds the curl really nicely because what I did over here, it kind of held it. So y'all know the heavier, the thicker the hair is, the more and more it won't like keep a curl. So I'm definitely gonna pin curl this hair, and you guys are gonna see that journey maybe in a vlog or something like that. But I likes it. I can't even lie. And like I said, it has so much body, yada 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 yada. So much body, and I'm definitely gonna have to get some mousse for this hair. But I did put a little bit of water on it. Let me show y'all what happened. Oh, spray myself in the face. Adding a little bit of water on it. I just did that to like help it style the way I want it to.
Okay, y'all, so this is what the wig looked like a couple days after I filmed this video initially, and it looks way better. I did realize that I'm going to have to get myself a hot comb very quickly realized that. And I told you guys also in this video that I knew that I was going to need some mousse. So when y'all see what the wig looked like by the end of this video, at the original footage,
if you guys definitely want to see my wig of the month videos come onto my platform, please let me know by liking this video and hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the future uploads from this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.